Rule one. When I'm talking, you guys are listening. Fantastic. Very good. Alright, as you can tell, everyone here has already got that covered. We're good. Final. Rule number two. If you guys look, I have all this wonderful, fantastic stuff up here with my mad science experiments. Now, rule number 2 is don't touch my stuff. So, the reason rule number 2 exists is because I'm going to be doing some really awesome experiments with very hazardous chemicals, with fire, with things that will literally burn you if you were to touch them. So, the rule with bad science is don't touch my stuff. Alright, so you got rule 1, rule number 2, and then we got rule number 3. Rule number 3 is the biggest rule ever. I mean, this rule it's bigger than New York. I mean, oh my gosh. This rule it's bigger than the whole world. I mean, this rule is bigger than a sandwich. Rule number three is you have to have fun. You think you can have fun? Yeah? Think so? Raise your hand. Awesome! Fantastic! You have fun? Yes? Awesome! Even more fantastic! Right, over here. Think they're capable of having fun. Please raise your hand. Way up high in there. That goes to you. Oh, some of you guys can have fun. That's so sad. Alright, well, we're going to start out with a wonderful thing that is called a balloon. Now, it's the only magic trick I know, because as you can see right here, it says mad science. It does not say mad magician. Alright, so we're going to do this one. Thank you, that was nice. Alright, so once we got the balloons loaded up, I'm going to tie a knot in the balloon. And then, as you guys may have noticed earlier, I have a fantastic flu shot. Now this is a very sick balloon, and consequently, it needs a very big flu shot. Alright, so, this is the balloon's flu shot. Alright, now, I'm going to stick this needle into the balloon. The needle is still inside of my balloon. You are not cooperating. You're supposed to Well, the reason that works, because this is mad science, this is not mad magicianry. I'll actually show you guys a trick to that. All you have to do is blow up a balloon. The size doesn't matter. But if you look at the very tippity top of the balloon, when I tie it, there is some excess rubber right there, right? Come on up, come look. Okay. So if you look right there, see it's got all that excess rubber? Well, that's not stretched tight like the rest of the balloon right here is, right? So if you're very careful, you can actually stick the balloon right inside there. Try it. Push in. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Sit down there, Michelle.
There it is. Stop, please. Right? And that's all it is to it. Because the rubber's up there, it's not out here. And then when I do this, it pops! It's supposed to pop. Awesome. Cool. Thank you very much, Bob.
I have more here.
You have more here? So, next thing we're going to do, I think, is time for a race. Yes, definitely. Alright, who here thinks they're strong enough and brave enough to race it? What do you think? Yes?
Matthew.
Let's see.
Michelle.
You think I'm back? Come on up here.
Go, Michelle.
Girl? Oh, yeah, girl. Girl versus boy. That'll be better. Alright, there you go. Come on up, here's Sarah here. Awesome. Alright, so, here's how this race works. I have 2 flasks with liquid in them. Alright. And consequently, what we're going to do is, you see these torn up paper cups? Styrofoam. I was not just having fun. But what we're going to do is we're going to see if you guys are capable of sticking the paper cup into the flask. Think you can do it? Yeah? Think you can do it? Awesome. Now, I know that's very, very difficult. So what we're going to do is make it even harder. We're actually going to have a race. We're going to see who can put the most pieces of paper cup into the flask.